A San Francisco entrepreneur, we'll call him Mark, faced a great problem when raising funds to expand his budding vegan startup. He thought crowdfunding would be a great way, but when he checked the existing crowdfund portals, they didn't have enough users sharing vegan values to raise the amount needed. So he brainstormed with leaders of the vegan movement as well as the fintech industry, and poof! A wonderful solution was born. The Vegan Investing Club. It's a site where thousands of like-minded people come together to invest small amounts in vegan companies. Starting with as little as $100, members can invest today for a vegan tomorrow. The site is free, so within a short period, it could have up to 100,000 members in 50 countries. Then it would be possible to help 100 vegan companies per year raise money for growth through crowdfunding. This would change the world one company at a time. Take a step to do well by doing good. Join the club at veganinvestingclub.org.